As an investor with over 50 units, I can tell you there's nothing passive about being a landlord. It is an active process to manage the needs of tenants and properties. Investing in real estate is a complex process, made even more challenging in today's tight market. For most, the low barrier to entry is buy and rent strategy, as most people think they'll be all set once they find a tenant to rent their property. They call this passive investment.
The way Sid used to do projects 10, 13 years ago is a lot different than he does projects now. Now he has built a team. He has built a management team under him that oversees the project.
Anyone can make money in real estate during the last 2-3 years. Not that hard. But to do it over an extended period of time, that's where Sid comes in this group. They have all that experience to draw on.
What Treetop Capital offers is true passive investment. You will get to make your money work without the additional time and stress of being a landlord.
If I need to know something, I'm always invited to look at the projects whenever I have time, whenever I wish to.
My experience, anytime someone goes silent on you, it's a bad sign. So the fact that I kept getting, this is where we are, this is what's happening, I felt like we were always going along, getting step by step to the finish line where we needed to be.
From Sid, you always get that level of professionalism. Communication is a big part of it. He's always there, answer phone calls, tackle any challenge or problem that might come up within the process.
We believe private real estate investing should be accessible to everyone, not just wealthy and well-connected. At Treetop Capital, we make it easy for you to get started and provide all the support and resources you will need to succeed. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control on your financial future.